Welcome to the Netstar OBDII GPS Vehicle Tracker Installer Guide, including splitter cable. In this video, we'll walk you through how to quickly and easily set up your tracker so you can start monitoring your vehicle's performance and location. Start by locating your vehicle's OBDII port, which is typically under the dashboard near the steering wheel. For a more discreet setup, we'll open the side panel next to the dashboard. This provides extra space for routing the cable and positioning the tracker out of sight. Now, plug the Netstar OBDII tracker into one end of the splitter cable. A splitter cable allows the tracker to connect without occupying the port entirely, keeping it available for diagnostic tools and other devices. Place a piece of double-sided tape to the OBDII tracker. Make sure to place the tape on the reverse side of the tracker where the white sticker is located. You will need to remove the existing OBDII port and plug it into the female OBDII socket of the splitter cable. Use the now free end of the splitter cable and plug it into the original location of the OBDII port, ensuring it's secure and it doesn't interfere with other components. Once the tracker is in place and functioning, reattach the side panel to keep everything neat and discreet. Finally, test the setup by logging into the My Netstar app and configuring the device using the on-screen prompts. And that's it. Your Netstar OBDII GPS vehicle tracker is now ready to use. Enjoy peace of mind with real-time insights into your vehicle. Contact us today to learn more.